Oh boy, we got a train. Nice. We got a BNSF Superman unit. That's an Autorack. Superman unit, alright. I bet they're hauling Tesla cars. And 11, 12, I bet they're hauling Fords. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. That train was bucking, Jack. He's moving like a pedal. He's moving like a pedal, Jack. Symbol of that train was BNSF Superman Unit ES44C4. That train originates in Kansas City, Kansas. Heads east on its way to Chicago, Illinois, Eola, Illinois. Happened on Saturday, July 30th, 2022 by Tyler McCully's Wide World of Trains on YouTube. You get a section in the comment section, give YouTube a like. Here's next video. Rolling. Have a good day.